What if the blood of giants still sleeps within this golden stone?
Scientists once dreamed of resurrecting dinosaurs, but dreams can become nightmares.
For the first time in 65 million years, something ancient has awakened. To fill the missing pieces, they used genes from modern reptiles and birds, the living descendants of dinosaurs. For the first time in 655 million years, something ancient was alive again. In every rebirth lies a question no one dared to ask. Should we? Creation demands control, but nature resists every cage we build. Whispers. When science crosses the line of extinction, nature reclaims its power. We found the key to the past, but some doors should never be opened.
Peace. Waiting. It learned to walk before we learned to fear it.
We brought back a hunter, born in shadows, built for survival.
Extinction was mercy. Resurrection is punishment.
Some secrets refuse to stay buried. Containment is an illusion when life itself refuses control.
Come on.
Evolution doesn't wait for permission. It adapts, it consumes, it survives.
Nature remembers its throne and takes it back in blood. We reached back into the past and unleashed the storm of evolution. When the noise of creation fades, only consequences remain.
The past no longer sleeps. It walks the earth again.
Humanity's arrogance is older than its wisdom. Even the smallest spark of life can reignite an age long forgotten.
We sought to master time, but it was life itself that mastered us.
Perhaps extinction was never an end, only a beginning written in a... Maybe the dinosaurs never truly died. They changed shape and kept flying.
What we could do was never the question. What we should do is.
Life finds a way, not to repeat the past, but to become something new. We can reach into the past, but we must choose how to live with what we find. Once a secret is released into the world, it never belongs to one man again. Curiosity is humanity's greatest gift and its oldest curse. From chaos came life, from life came will, and the cycle begins again. The code of life was never lost. It simply evolved beyond our reach.
Even frozen in time, life waits for the right moment to return.
It's still alive.
Life never truly ends. It adapts, transforms, and learns.
Every ending hides a beginning. waiting to evolve.
Nature remembers its design and answers the call. And so, life begins again, endless, unstoppable, and
In a world built on secrets, truth spreads faster than containment.
Control returns not through knowledge, but through fear.
What humanity seals away, nature will always reopen.
These aren't human.
extinction was never an end, only an intermission. Every resurrection demands a witness and a consequence.
We sealed the wound of the earth, but the pulse beneath still beats.
We thought we buried a creature. What we found is a heartbeat older than history.
The planet remembers its own creation, and now it stirs again.
From the bones of extinction, evolution rises to claim its throne.
Fear spreads faster than truth, and belief reshapes reality. Power gathers not to protect, but to possess what it cannot understand.
The call of life echoes through every element, reshaping the world to remember its origins. Evolution is not a miracle. It's inevitability given time. We became the endangered species on the planet we thought we ruled.
In trying to recreate the past, we became witnesses to the future.
Perhaps evolution did not erase us. It simply wrote a new chapter.
We learn to watch, to listen, to belong again.
Life endures, not because it is strong, but because it remembers.
The earth breathes again, and the story of life begins anew. Time is not the enemy of life. It is its sculptor.
We forget.
Past and future are not separate. They dance in the same breath of creation. From dust to dream, from silence to song, life finds its harmony in every form. The past breathes through the present, shaping tomorrow with its silent echoes.
To remember is to honor the light we carry.
Creation never ends. It only changes form, carrying memory through eternity.
When evolution transcends flesh, it speaks through harmony.
All minds, all hearts, all life, one rhythm echoing through infinity.
Creation does not repeat. It remembers how to dream again.
In the smallest breath of water, infinity begins again.
Every world sings its own version of life's eternal melody. Every creation is observed, not to control, but to remember what it means to begin.
The essence of creation is not power, but the longing to remember beauty.
Balance is not achieved by control, but by learning to live within the rhythm of all things.
Silence is never the end. It's the breath.
Every from galaxy, from cell to soul.
From chaos rises creation. From fire, water. From silence, life. Life learns to move, and in motion, it finds purpose. Growth is not escape. Each breath is rebellion against extinction and a promise of survival. To rise is to remember that freedom was always written in the code of life. Intelligence always finds its voice in the harmony between survival and creation.
The rhythm of life never stops. It only...
And so, it begins again.